All right, so we're going to look at a long division story problem here. Before we jump right in to what it is that we're doing, we need to know that this is a division problem and we need to know what we're trying to do. So Sally was getting ready to have a water balloon fight. She was on a team with 21 total people. She brought 436 water balloons and wanted to make sure every person got the same amount. How many water balloons will each person get? So what we know right off the bat is that there are 21 total people and she has a total of 436 water balloons. Now she wants everyone to have the same amount, so how many water balloons will each person get? So that means that we are going to have something that looks like this. 436 balloons. We have 21 people. So I need to find out how many equal groups of 21 go into 436. So how many equal groups of 21 go into 436? Okay. So what we're going to do here is 436 inside of our box. We're figuring out how many groups of 21 are in there. So remember, if we think about our landmark numbers, we're figuring out how many groups of 21 can we take out of 436. So thinking about landmark numbers, I know that I can take 10 groups out. So if I take 10 groups of 21 out of 436, that means that I'm going to have 210 balloons that are taken away. Okay, so I have 436 total balloons. Okay, 21 kids are splitting them. They want to split them equally. So if I first give everybody 10 balloons, this is what we're going to have. So 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so now I have 226 more balloons to push out. So if I knew that 10 went in the first time, I know that I can take 10 more groups, because now I'm figuring out how many groups of 21 can I take away from 226, and I know I can take 10 away. So if I take 10 more groups away, that means I'm going to take away 210 more balloons. So if I take away 210 more balloons, 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so how many more groups of 21 can I take away? So how many groups of 21 can I take away from 16? I can't take any more groups away because there's not enough balloons for every kid to have one more. So I come back over here. 10 plus 10 is 20. So that means that every kid is going to get 20 water balloons. Now I have 16 left over. So that means that I have 20 with 16 left over. So with those 16 left over, what I can do is I can either give them to 16 people or I could keep them all to myself. But remember, it says that they want to make sure that every kid has the same amount. How many balloons will each kid get? In order to get the same amount, each kid is going to get 20 balloons with 16 left. So make sure that your remainder means something.